Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So the sprinkle moon is in your hair, of golden starlight in your eyes, so blue. And that is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be and close to you. And just like me, they long to be close to you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows and surely to the sea, and darling, so it goes. And some things are meant to be. 'Cause if you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sell the world to find you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, and I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can't count on you like 4 and 3 and 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Do 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 do, do 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 do. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to on the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, baby, don't bring me down, I pray. Oh pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, and barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you look a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight.